Are you? Yeah. Oh, I was that, you little turkey. You tired? Are you tired? Yeah. My little boy tired. Ow. Good morning. Good morning.
Oh my God, Louie! Louie! What are we gonna do?
Hello, sir. What are your thoughts on our current political climate?
So cute. Yeah.
People be like, oh my God, your dog sleeps in your bed with you? Like, next to you in your bed with all the dog hair?
Hey, honey, will you come here? Come. Honey, I have a question for you. Would you like to go on a walk? Do you want to go on a walk with me?
If I wanted him to bark, all I need to say is a roo-roo.
Beach.
Are you ready? Ready for a new button? Beach? Do you want to go to the beach? You ready? Let's go. Polly, we're at the beach. Beach. Where? Beach. Beach? Yeah, we're at the beach. Aw, at the beach.
I said, do you wanna fight? Do you wanna catch his hands? Bitch, I catch you in the streets. I'm with that.
Do you want to go for a Jeep ride? Is that where you want to go? Nah, let's not go. Wait, let's go on a Jeep ride. Yeah, let's do that. Maybe not, maybe not. Wait, let's go. Yeah. You want to go for a Jeep ride? Ooh. I'm just kidding. Come on, let's go. Come, Roxy, come here. Sandy, come. Come here. Close the door. Good girl.
Dad,
What?
can we give Sandy an egg and see if she'll be gentle with it?
No. I know what she would
Please? Mama, pwede ako kapangayo itlog?
The dog will not break the shell, but will protect it. Sure.
Sandy? No, no, no. Sit.
No.
Please don't get on the bed. She's not breaking it. Oh.
Did she break it?
Ha! Give the egg. Come here, Sandy. No, 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 no. Here. Oh, no.
I think she would go. Don't break it, Lex.
Be nice. Good boy.
Do you want to have a little brother? Should we get you a little brother, huh? Come on, let's go ask Mom. Come on, come on, let's go ask Mom. Come on. How many legs for another Great Dane?
75,000 likes.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gumdrop, snickle, spickle.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Oh, don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Yes, hello? Is this the vet? Oh yeah, for Sam? Yeah, I'll take her right now. Is she gonna get shot? Oh, she's gonna get 10 shots. Okay, I'll take her right now.
Like
Attention, 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 more attention. Attention now, please. Thank you.
No. No. No, you may not kiss my face right now.
No. Clyde, why are you being a bit... Stop it. Stop. Why are you being a big baby? Why are you being a big baby? Hmm? What? No. No.
He wants your nugget.
No, no nugget.
Clyde. Clyde, do you want Daddy's nugget?
Dogs are great. Dogs are great. Guess what? Dogs are great.
Double tap to give the dog the cookie. Did you do it? Because he hasn't had the cookie yet. Oh, you've done it. Okay, he gets the cookie.
Oh, yo, bro! Yo, Remy, control your dog, bro! Yo, control your dog, bro! He bit me, bro!
Dear Diary, my dearest human asked me where the ball was when it was clearly in plain sight. I brought it over, and he threw it even farther away, then asked me where it was, and was very happy when I brought it again. Perhaps a metaphor?
Please don't scroll, please don't scroll, please don't scroll. I need help. This is my dog Rossi. She's part pit bull, part Pekingese. She has terrible skin problems. We've been to the vet and they prescribed us medicated shampoo. She's gotten antibiotics and everything like that, but nothing's helped, and her skin is getting worse and her hair is slowly going away. So if anybody can tell me what could possibly be wrong, that'd be great. And if you could make this go viral, that would also help, so more people can see it. Okay, thanks. Say thank you. Yeah.
Tina, where are your puppies? Where are they? Tina! All your puppies are escaping! Get out here! Meredith, what did you do?
So this is Moose. We got him back in May. Moose, come here. He's not really the best listener. Moose, go to bed. Come to find out, it's probably because he speaks Spanish. Moose, tu cama. Well, now I gotta learn Spanish.
There once was a man with no arms who got chased by bees, so he jumped into a lake, climbed over 2 mountains, got shot twice. He went to heaven and grew 2 wings. Now you have a dog.
Don't sidekick him in the butt. That's rude. Fox manners. Ah, where are they? Not present. Ah, get him. There he goes. No, don't go on the couch. Ah, come out of the couch. Will you get out of there? Callie, get him out of the couch. Lance. There he is. It's a fox head. Hi, baby. I love my fox face. It comes out of the couch every now and then to say hello. How do you fit in there? How do you fit your big old noggin in there? Holy cow, you just barely... Don't you get me. I want to look around. Don't you come get me. Hey, look here, you. I see you. You're like whack-a-mole, but whack-a-fox. 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 Oh, missed him. Excuse me, sir. Ring the doorbell. Hello. Lance, where'd you go? Hi. I see your fox face. Come here, cutie.
Hey! This is a Doberman. They are not mean, they're absolutely adorable, and they're the nicest things around. They would never hurt you. But these, on the other hand, are the worst things ever created.
Damn, your girl so